Okay, so I have retrieved the fishbowl successfully, and so far I've seen two living things in there swimming around. One looks like a worm of some sort. Oh, looks like I got a water beetle, some kind of bug. And this worm thing was very interesting. The water's going to have to clear some. We'll see if he comes back around. Maybe I'll check the other side. What do you think there could be in there? What do you think that is stuck to the side of the glass? Can you see it? Oh, there he is. What do you think that is? We got us a pet snail. There's a couple things I see moving around the bottom. Let's let the phone sit here for a minute and see if y'all... Well, that's not very clear. See if anything swims by. Okay, this is a long time to be bent over holding the phone. I'm gonna move. Let's try this. Not on the camera side. Okay, so now my tea and a plant are holding my phone up. Oh, there's that thing. Oh, I hope it's showing up in the video. He's got antenna. He's kind of over, let's see, over this area. Come back, little guy. Let's see. Yeah. Mrs. Gilbert's never been known for her patience. And now I want a sip of my tea, but it's holding the cup up. I mean, the phone up. Okay. Well, hopefully I'll capture him when he comes back around. I'm going to go back down the creek and get a cup full from a different area and see if I can't snag some tadpoles that way. There are definitely some living critters in there. And this particular wormy thing with the antenna is not something I'm familiar with. Okay, I'm going to save my battery, turn this off, but I'll be back.